How to type an equation in Word and PowerPoint. So here we are going to using MathType tool, MathType software. There are plenty of software to write an equation. Even Word itself, they offer some editor, but those editors are little bit difficult to type. Suppose if you want to type lot of equation, then it may be very little bit difficult in Word editor. So we are going to use MathType. So I already given a link of MathType editor at the bottom of this video, so you may use that link to get that MathType software. So before go to that, let us see who will need this application. Okay, maybe normally students need this while submitting an assignment. They need to type a lot of equation. Then while preparing the project reports, they have to include a lot of equations. So for that they need to type a lot of equations in Word or Word file. So students need this kind of application. Then faculty also need while taking the lecture. We normally use PowerPoint presentation or PDF file for taking lecture. So in that case also we need we will use a lot of equation, so where we need MathType editor. Then the faculty also need this while preparing the report, manuals and books. Let us go to the application. First, install MathType in your computer. Once you install MathType in your computer, that will be embedded inside your Word file and PowerPoint presentation. So here we take our Word file. So here you can see that there is an menu called MathType. Okay, so for example I am going to type something, title. Okay, at the end of the title you can type equation. So when you want to type an equation at the end of the word, use this function, inline. Click on inline. So I'm going to type an equation. Okay, x equal to, so this is division, minus b, plus or minus. So here I have plus or minus, square root. Here I have square root, b squared. So here I have suffix b squared minus, say here, minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's it. So press, make it as save. Okay, so you will get an equation here. So this is very simple. Okay, you can enlarge this equation. Similarly, double click on this equation. You can change the settings, like you can define the different variables. Most of the time while preparing the report, they will give the format of each equation, so that you can specify here. So you will get an equation like that. Then you can see all kind of symbols. So I'm going to use some symbols. See here, alpha, then space. For space, press shift and space bar. Sorry, press control and space bar. That will move. Then beta, space, gamma, epsilon, phi. So you can use any symbols. All symbols are already available in. So like this it will come. Say for example, if you want to copy this, cut this value. Okay, save. Then equation 2, click on inline, paste that value, that again save, you will get equation. Okay, if you want to type matrix, just click inline. Okay, for matrix, so here you have an option called matrix. Okay, here you can fit some values for each and every cell. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. Save. Okay, that's it. So anytime you can edit, so that is another advantage. If you convert PDF, that entire equation will come in the PDF without any issues. So this is how you can use math type to type any kind of equation. So thank you.